Hello everyone, sorry about that, the video's just cut off. So today we're going to take a look at my grandmother's new washing machine. This is a hotpoint washing machine. It's got drums, which is got comforting, and yeah, so I had to delete the last one. And it's also got spin dryer, and it's got a program setting on the new hotpoint washing machine, and it's really quiet for this. And so we've got grandma's old new washing machine, and this has got a drum which is big. And this is really quiet, and it's got programs that you want to choose, and you select an hour. If you want to go to extra rinse, go to extra touch, and it gives us extra 30 minutes. And if you go to the program, go to temperature, 14 degrees Celsius. And then if you go to a full load, this it goes 45 minutes. I would say 45-minute wash, a pre-wash. And if you go to 30-minute wash, so you go to 30 minutes. And this is really good. And I like this washing machine better than the old one. And if you want to go to white, it goes 1 hour and 45 minutes on the white setting. And if you want to go to duvet sheet, you go, it's 1 hour and 25 minutes extra, no extra time. If you want to go off, it goes 1 hour and 35 minutes. And if you want to go to baby, 1 hour and 10 minutes. And if you want to go down to the lowest, it gives you 55 minutes time. And if you want to go to 10 minutes, it gives you 1 hour and 10 minutes. And if you want to go to anti-allergies, it gives you 1 hour and 3 hours and 10 minutes. And if you want to go to the wool off, means 1 hour and 10 minutes. Then if you want to go to the declator cat, so it gives us 1 hour and 25 minutes. And then if you want to select this, it goes 2 hours and 40 minutes. And then if you want to go to cotton standard at 3 hours and 35 minutes. And if you want to go to Eco 40, it gives you extra time to wash. And if you go to mixed, then it gives you more time to wash. And that's so good. So you switch it off. Now we're going to, so you just choose the program before I do this. So later I'll be testing out this brand new washing machine. Okay, so have a good day. See you soon. subscribe. Bye bye.